ladder and scaffold deal. This is a post from Brandon at Deal Team 6 Facebook group. Big shout out to them for posting. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the Black Friday deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is a safe climb, Baker style scaffold rolling platform, 1,250 pound load. Capacity 6 feet, 6.25 feet height, 2.5 feet steel. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a nice platform here for you guys to work on. Nice, safe platform. $159, down from $298. That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. So definitely check that one out. Let's go ahead and look at the other one. All right, so the other one is an 8 feet fiberglass step ladder, 12 feet reach, with 250 pound load capacity, type 2D rating. All right, so this is what it looks like. You guys know these are really expensive. So these are $149 regular price. It's down to $69.88. All right, so 31 in stock in the store. All right. So if you guys want smaller ones, you are able to choose your rating or your height. Let's choose the 6 feet and show you guys what the price of that one is. Now our 6 feet ladder is $49.88, down from $99.97. That's what it looks like, a little bit shorter than the other one. And then you got the 4 feet if you want something for the house, or for the wife, or for the kids, whatever. This one's a smaller one, just to reach 4 feet. This one's $39.88. So I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.